Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Life Science Gyan. In this video we will see RPSC Assistant Professor 2016 Zoology Paper 1 questions from 121 to 150. This will be last video of this video series. I have already made 4 part of this video. Please subscribe the channel, like and share the video. So next question is true statement for hemoerythrin. It has copper atom to bind oxygen. There is no heme in this, but iron atom directly bind to protein. It is present in arthropods. It's green in color when oxygenated and violet when deoxygenated. So the right statement is option 2. There is no heme in this, but iron atom directly binds to protein. Our next question is, in mammals, the specific recognition between a spermatozoa and egg of same species is by presence of glycoprotein of zona carpora, glycoprotein of zona pellucida, binding protein of zona carpora, beta and acetyloprotein of zona carpora. So the correct answer is option 2. Glycoprotein of zona pellucida plays a role in specific recognition between a spermatozoa and egg of same species in mammals. Our next question is, in hermaphroditic animals which have both male and female organs, ova matures earlier than the sperm. This condition is called synchronous, protaandrous, protagynous, rudimentary. The correct answer is option 3. Ova is maturing earlier than sperm is known as protagynous. The next question is, in a neuron during metamorphosis, visual pigment in eye changes from rhodopsin to porphylopsin, porphylopsin to rhodopsin, retinylidene to rhodopsin, rhodopsin to retinylidene. So correct answer is option 2. In a neuron during metamorphosis, visual pigment in eyes changes from porphylopsin to rhodopsin. Our next question is, who prepared stereotaxic atlas of cat's brain? Lynn and de Groot and Broca, Jasper and Marson, Fritz and Hitzing. The correct answer is option 3. Jasper and Marson prepared the stereotaxis atlas map of cat's brain. Our next question is, migration bird use arc of sky to navigate. This phenomena is known as Zuggenre, azimuth, Imlane, visual tag. So correct answer is option 2. Migratory birds use arc of sky to navigate. This is known as azimuth. Our next question is, this type of orientation is unlearned. Movement of animal in response to stimuli is undirected. The response of animal is proportional to the intensity of stimulus. This is called topotaxis, telotaxis, clinotaxis, kinesis. Correct answer is option 4. This is known as kinesis. Our next question is, National Pollution Prevention Day is celebrated on 2nd November, 2nd December, 4th December, 4th January. Correct answer is option 2. National Pollution Prevention Day is celebrated on 2nd December. The next question is, which connecting link between group is not correctly matched? Actinomycetes is connecting link link between bacteria and fungi, Neoplina between Annelida and Mollusca, Ornithorhynchus between reptilia and mammal, Protopterus between Hemichordata and fishes. So correct answer is option 4. Protopterus, which is also known as lungfishes, is connecting link between fishes and amphibia, not between Hemichordata and fishes. Our next question is Thelitoki is a haploid pathogenesis, diploid parthenogenesis, type of androgenesis, type of gynogenesis. The correct answer is option 2. Thelitoki is diploid parthenogenesis. Our next question is pelvic girdle of which of the following vertebra do not attach or support with vertebral column? Scoliodon, rana, pigeon, rabbit. So correct answer is option 1. In Scoliodon, pelvic girdle of vertebra do not attach or support with vertical column. Our next question is who said that according to the pre-formation theory, embryo is already present in minute form in male gamete? Spallanzani, Swammerdam, Hartshocker, Haller. The correct answer is option 3. Hartshocker said that according to pre-formation theory, embryo is already present in the minute form in male gametes. Our next question is what is the function of Bartholin gland? Secretion of these glands neutralize alkalinity of urinary path, accessory gland of male reproductive system. Secretion of these glands neutralize acidity of urinary path. Secretion of these glands neutralize acidity of vestibule of female reproductive system. So correct answer is option 4. Bartholin gland secretes liquid which neutralize acidity of vestibule of female reproductive system. Our next question is 10 pair of cranial nerves are present in rana and dogfish, lizard and rana, only pigeon. So correct answer is option 1. In rana, frog and dogfish, 10 pair of cranial nerves are present. Our next question is example of interspecific communication is honeybee and butterfly, roe beetle and wood ant, roe beetle and grasshopper, wood ant and honeybee. The correct answer is option 2. Roe beetle and wood ant is example of interspecific communication. Our next question is flying squirrel are reported in which of these sanctuaries? So these are sanctuary in Rajasthan because it is RPSC exam. Sajjangarh Sanctuary, Sita Mata Sanctuary, Jaisavan Sanctuary, Kumbhalgarh Sanctuary. So correct answer is option 2. In Sita Mata Sanctuary, flying squirrel are reported. Next question is which one of these declared UNESCO as a World Heritage Site? Ranthambore National Park, Keoladeo National Park, Sariska Tiger Reserve, Sita Mata Sanctuary. So correct answer is option 2. Keoladeo National Park, which is also a Ramsar site, is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Our next question is the species which have restricted distribution are known as ecospecies, sympatric species, allopatric species, endemic species. The correct answer is option 4. Species which have restricted distribution is known as endemic species. Our next question is as one moves up ecological pyramid in general, the biomass decreases, photosynthesis decreases, energy level decreases, productivity increases. Correct answer is option 3. As we move up in ecological pyramid, energy level decreases by almost 90%. Our next question is, smoke is caused by the depletion of ozone layer, presence of high humidity in atmosphere, rapid accumulation of CO2 in the atmosphere, rapid buildup of product of photochemical oxidation of pollutants in the atmosphere. So correct answer is option 4. Smoke, which is combination of fog and smoke, is caused by rapid buildup of product of photochemical oxidation of pollutants in atmosphere. Our next question is, which of the following gas is essential for survival of ecosystem but it is a pollutant if present in excess? Carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, oxygen. Correct answer is option 2. Carbon dioxide is essential for survival of ecosystem, but if it presents in excess, it is pollutant. It maintains temperature of our earth by greenhouse effect. Our next question is, the main source of energy for detritus food chain is organic matter, sun, decomposers, living beings. So correct answer is option 1. The main source of energy for detritus food is organic matter. Our next question is, infrastructure of speech is controlled by Broca's area, Wernicke's area, Kapta's area, Dolan's area. The correct answer is option 1. Broca's area control infrastructure of speech. You can relate it with Bolna, Broca's Bolna speech. So next question is, which of the following fish do not have poisonous glands? Trigon, Chimeras, Maeliobetis, Torpedo. So correct answer is option 4. Torpedo, which are also known as electric ray, they produce electricity, not poison. So they do not have poisonous gland. Our next question is, during fertilization in frog egg, the path traveled by sperm nucleus indicated by a streak of black pigment in the clear cytoplasm of animal hemisphere. The path is called penetration path, fertilization path, fusion path, development path. The correct answer is option 1. It is known as penetration path. Our next question is, ozone layer is part of ionosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere, troposphere. So correct answer is, it is part of stratosphere. So option 3 is correct. Ozone layer is a part of stratosphere. So from Earth, when we go off, there is stratosphere, then first is troposphere, then stratosphere, then mesosphere, then exosphere plus thermosphere. So ozone layer is part of stratosphere. Our next question is, which of the following pair is a sedimentary type of biogeochemical cycle? Phosphorus nitrogen, phosphorus sulfur, oxygen nitrogen, phosphorus carbon. So correct answer is option 2. Phosphorus and sulfur is part of sedimentary type of biogeochemical cycle. Oxygen is part of only gas, nitrogen is gas, oxygen is gas, carbon is gas. Our next question is, convergent evolution is best described as mutations that introduce same polymorphism in two species after they diverge from a common ancestor. The evolution of similar phenotype in distantly related species, finding that there are parallel gene duplication in two unrelated species having only synonymous substitution in their genes. So correct answer is option 2. Convergent evolution is similar phenotype in distantly related species such as wings of butterfly and bat. They are convergent organ, or it is known as convergent evolution. Our next question is, the earliest primate which was truly a man-like creature was different from ape is Dryopithecines, Parapithecus, Ramapithecus, Prosimian. So correct answer is option 3. Ramapithecus was the earliest primate which was a truly man-like creature and different from ape. Option 3 is right. Our next and last question of this RPSC Zoology Paper 1 paper. Wallace line separates Australian region and Ethiopian region, Australian region and Neotropical region, Neotropical and Nearctic region, Australian region and Oriental region. So correct answer is option 4. Wallace line separates Australian region and Oriental region. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Thank you so much. Please do watch all part of this video series. Thank you.